Okay, so a few things. Number one, I'm not sure why my skin. I think it's just more so the lighting in the house. Not sure why it looks the way that it does. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But okay, so this is what we're about to do. I am about to. I'm about to start packing the boy stuff, and I saw this hack that I wanted to try. So they put everything in Ziploc bags. So this year I noticed a couple things. So number one, since it's summertime, we don't need as many clothes, and our clothes ain't. Excuse me. Our clothes aren't as bulky as they would be if it was like fall. Honestly, any other season, because okay, for me, I'm still traveling in my sweatshirt. Like I'm gonna take my sweatshirt, even if I got on bike shorts. Like I'm still gonna take my sweatshirt because I don't know temperature of the car. I'm always cold, anyways. But I have a duffel, which I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys later. I have a duffel. Now, I'm going to put the boys' stuff in my travel size carry-on. It is a hard shell. So you can see this is the size of it. It does extend. And let's open it up. So with it open, like this is how it is open. So you can normally, like I put my own stuff in here. I've traveled with Ben before and we somehow finesse our stuff in here. But oh yeah, and it has a zipper back here, so I can throw extra shoes. And honestly, I just may throw all of our shoes in there. I cannot find, and I have no idea where it went. I have shoe bags. I bought I think it's maybe like a dozen shoe bags off Amazon. I'm going y'all, it just be germs, like oh my gosh. And I got my Lysol because I'm the type of person, I'm going to spray the bottom of your feet when we come out that rest stop because it's just nasty. Or just bathrooms, period. Like, ugh. Anyway, so I will definitely be putting our stuff in the shoe bags and putting the shoe bags on the inside of here. More than likely, everybody's toiletries will go in here with the exception of my face stuff. I have my own little face holder thing with the exception of our face stuff, but all toiletries will go inside this bag, inside this compartment right here. For the most part, I don't want to say we share the same body wash and lotion, but for the most part it's like a universal lotion that we have, and we do have a universal body wash that we have. We use the Raw, I think that's the name of the brand. We use the Raw brand for the boys. I don't put that on their face, not important. Well, it is important. Oh, and then this has the thing. So anyway, I said all that to say all of the boys stuff and our extra shoes will come in here. So, oh, about to drop my stuff. I am going to go ahead. So how I did it was, doggone number block. How I did it was, so we leave out on Thursday, like Thursday early morning. We leave out on Thursday, and then from Thursday, so we're going to be doing the majority of the traveling. So according to our itinerary, according to our itinerary, because it's a lot of us, we are going to be, I'm going to like put these in order while I'm talking. We are going to be Thursday, and Thursday, this is beach, or I should have put beach / swim stuff, but we're arriving Thursday, and then from there, that's Saturday, and then from there, we kind of have like free time afterwards, so we might explore, or we may just actually just stay in and probably sleep. Friday's our big day, so I might be overpacking our clothes. Now with the boys, so our initial process for traveling was, ouch, I gotta hurry up. Our initial process for Friday, staticky. Our initial process for either Friday or Saturday. So this is their, this is extra. Oh, this is so cute. Why is it so staticky? This is so cute. This is adorbs. I cannot wait till they put these on. How cute. I didn't even look at the size. Okay, so I get rid of my mouth. The colors were supposed to be green. Well, not supposed to be. So the colors are green. I think 120 might be the biggest one. I gotta double check before I actually submit to this. But the biggest one, I'm so like not focused at all. me lay out everything real quick so I can show you what we're taking for the boys, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, I got pretty much everything in there, and honestly, let me zoom you out. Let's switch our back. So like I have space. Some of these I think I gotta flatten out. Like we can still add more stuff to here if we just really wanted to. I don't know if it's because the way, like how I had, move the strap out the way, how I folded it, like if that makes a difference. So like these up underneath here, I did fold them in half. So I wonder if the way how I folded the clothes, I probably can get more in here if I change the way how I fold the clothes. But I gotta go pick up the boys. So let me get my hand out the way. So I'm gonna go pick up the boys, and when I come back, I'm gonna like refold this stuff and see how it'll be, because I probably can add more stuff in there, because I know they want to take like their toys. You can see one of the doggone number blocks is right here, and we may be able, but we still have stuff we can fit right here if needed. And here, so I feel like Thursday, what I was saying earlier about Thursday, I ended up just putting, y'all need to see my baby underwear. I ended up putting Thursday like their pajamas and then extra pairs of underwear, because I know if it doesn't rain, we're gonna try and go to the beach. So it's extra pairs of underwear in here and their PJs, and then this is like their actual beach / swim stuff. Oh, I know what can fit over here. Beach towels. Yeah, the hotel may have some, whatever, but I'm just saying we ain't taking all that stuff. We have our own beach towels. We're gonna put our beach towels in there. So yeah, so hold on. All right, so how about, oh, he's calling me, hold on. Okay, never mind, I'm not going to get them. He actually, that was him, and he said that he can go, it's so blurry, that he can, so blurry, that he's going to go pick up the boy. So with that being said, I'm just about to go ahead and I'm gonna fix up their clothes, fix up their bags, fix up their clothes, and then I gotta get started on my bag and my duffel, and then I'll show you guys everything I'm taking. I still don't know what I'm doing, but I still gotta embroider some shirts. Oh, Jesus help me. Oh, I gotta get this video uploaded. Okay, so yeah, this is what happened in the previous video when I was in the car. I just had that whole little moment because, yeah. So, okay.